Hey folks, I'm Jesse from Penalty Box Woodshop, and this week we're going to talk about dust collection. It's something that every woodworker and every woodshop battles. So I'm going to show you how I made mine a little bit easier with a few simple tools. So stay tuned. So what we're talking about today is the iVac automated dust collection system. A few months ago, iVac sent me some of their products to test out, and I've been thoroughly impressed. So I wanted to share them with you today. So a few things right off the bat that I like about the iVac system is you don't have to own the entire system for it to work. It just depends on what your budget is and how automated you want your workshop. So I'll show you exactly how each one of these work independently as well as how they work together. Also, the other thing that I like about this system is that it'll work with virtually any machine in your shop. Doesn't matter about make or model, whether it's a planer, a table saw, or even a miter saw if you have dust collection on it, this system will work. So my system starts here with the iVac Pro switch, which runs my dust collection. It's easy to install. You just plug it into the wall, plug your dust collection in the front of it. It can be manually turned on and off here with this switch, or you can set it to auto and use this remote control. Now, what's nice about this is that you can use it on its own with just this remote control to control your dust collection, or it can run your entire automated system. So since I have the entire system, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my dust collector and then set the switch to auto. So next in the automated system are the iVac Pro blast gates. You see them installed here on both my bandsaw and on my router table. So this dust collection gate is powered by one AC jack that plugs in right there in the side. It has an indicator window to let you know whether or not the gate is open or closed, and it can be manually open or closed with this switch right there. Now the remote control that comes with your iVac switch can actually run one of these at the same time as well, but if you want to run multiple ones that come on at the same time as your tool and automatically turn on your dust collection, then you're going to need the iVac Pro Tool Plus, which I'll show you. So this is the iVac Pro Tool Plus, and it's the last product you need for full automation of your dust collection. So you attach it to the power cord of whatever tool that you're using, and it tells that blast gate to open and your dust collection to come on. It also ensures that all the other blast gates are closed by marrying it up with the little pin system with all the rest of your tools. It's really easy to install. It's really easy to program. Now in my shop, I have one of these on every single one of my power tools that has dust collection, as well as the iVac blast gate. So whenever I turn on my table saw, my blast gate opens for the table saw, my dust collection comes on. If I go power on another tool, the blast gate for the table saw will close, that particular tool's blast gate will open, the dust collection will stay on. Lastly, one of the things I like about this system is that when you're running multiple gates like I do, then you can program one of the gates to stay open when the system isn't running, allowing it to breathe. But if you go to use another one of the tools, it will automatically shut that gate and open that tool's gate, which is really a smart system if you ask me. Now, one thing I will say about this system is that it does use a lot of plugs, so be prepared to use 3 plugs per tool if you're running the entire system. 1 plug for the blast gate, 1 plug for your tool, and 1 plug for the iVac Pro Tool Plus. So as you can see, this is a great system to have in your shop. It keeps me from having to open and close blast gates, and dust collection is something that I hate messing with in the first place, so this makes it a lot easier. All right, folks, that does it for us today. I really appreciate you stopping by and watching this quick little video. I love my iVac system, and it really works well for me in my shop, so I wanted to share it with you. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get to them. There'll be direct links to all of these products in the description section below, as well to my website and other things. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that bell and it will tell you when I drop another video. I'll be doing some more build videos in the future, as well as other tool review stuff. So y'all have a great day.